Input devices accept input from the user and convert it into a form that the computer can understand. Supermarkets, bank, etc. use specialized input devices to collect large amount of data rapidly. Input devices helps to interact with the computer and accept data and instruction from the user. Depending upon the various type of data entered like textual data, images, audio and video data, etc. Let us discuss now the various types of input devices. Number 1. Keyboard. The most common input device is the keyboard, which is usually connected to the computer using a PS2 or an USB port. It reassembles a mechanical typewriter where the alphabets placed into the QWERTY format along with the numeral 0 to 9 and punctuation symbol. It is used to enter textual data. The number of keys on a keyboard varies from the original standard of 101 keys to 104 keys. As in Windows keyboard, these keys can be divided into the following sets based on their function. Alphabet keys used to type the alphabets A to Z lower and uppercase. Digit keys used to type the digit form 0 to 9. Punctuation and symbol keys used to type various punctuation. Modifier keys. There are a set of keys which when placed along with some other keys modify the function. This include the shift key, alt key and control key. Lock keys. There are another set of keys of the keyboard which have an on and off set. The caps lock, num lock and scroll lock are the example of such keys. Navigation keys. This include the 4 arrows keys, page up, page down, end and home keys. Edit keys used to edit a portion of a file and include enter, backspace, insert, delete and tab keys. Function keys. This include the F1, F2 to F12 keys and are used to perform some special work as specified by the operating system. When these are pressed, for example, the help file related to the current program running on the computer opens when you press the F1 key. Multimedia key. Nowadays, multimedia keyboard come with some special button which can be used to enable or disable sound. Open a particular home page. System keys. The content, the break, escape, print screen are similar keys. A keyboard has its own processor and circuitry to carry information to the form of the processor. The major part of this circuitry is the key matrix. It is a grid of conducting lines placed beneath the keys and used to detect a key press. Depending upon the technology used, a keyboard can be mechanical or captive in nature. The internal working mechanism of a common mechanical keyboard is when a key is pressed on the keyboard, it pushes a rubber dome beneath the key. A conductive content on the underside of the dome touches a pair of conducting lines on the circuit below. This closes the contact between the lines, causing a change in the current flowing through the lines. A special signal called a scanning signal. The scan code generated is then sent to the computer's basic input-output system called BIOS via the keyboard cable. The BIOS inside the computer receives a scan code and decodes it into a corresponding ASCII value. The computer then decided what action to take on the basis of the key pressed. After the keyboard the mouse is the next most useful input device. It is a point and click input device which is used to point and select any item on a graphical user interface called GUI interface. It is a small object which look a bit like a mouse and can be moved along a surface. It consists of one or more buttons which can be clicked to do various functions. The user can simply point to options and icons on a GUI screen and select them by clicking the mouse button. A mouse can be wired or wireless. Wired mouse can be connected through wires which are generally connected through basically a PS2 or USB port. Wireless mouse use Bluetooth technology to communicate with the computer. This uses a Bluetooth transmitter to send signal which are received by a Bluetooth transmitter. The transmitter is attached as a small dongle to an USB port in the computer. Generally nowadays a mouse comes with 3 buttons along with a scroll wheel. Each button has its own function. Usually when the left button is pressed, an item is selected, and when it is rapidly clicked twice, then item is opened. A rightmost button when pressed shows a drop down menu. The scroll wheel can be rotated upward or downward to scroll through a long document on a web page. The scroll wheel when pressed acts as the middle button. The middle key also has some specific features, like in Linux environment, a middle click generally pastes the latest content on the clipboard. Two types of mouse are available, a mechanical mouse and a optical mouse. A mechanical mouse uses a ball and roller arrangement to determine the position of a mouse pointer. A optical mouse, on the other hand, uses an LED light source and a sensor to scan the surface where the mouse is placed on the determine the position of the mouse pointer on the screen. A light pen is a pointing device that can be used to select an option by simply pointing and it on the computer screen on for drawing figures directly on the screen. It consists of a photocell mounted on a pen shaped tube and is capable of sensing a position on the screen when it is touch the screen. A light pen is mostly used by engineering, architecture or designer. A light pen is a point and draw input device which allows the user to point to object displayed on a CRT screen. These are also used for computer aided design applications where the user can directly draw on the screen with the help of a light pen. It is similar to a touch screen but has a generated accuracy. It is basically a light sensitive device that uses a photoelectric cell and optical lens mounted in a pen shaped case. It needed to be used along with the computer CRT monitor. The light pen is held by the hand and directly pointed to the screen to select menu items or icons or directly draw graphics on the screen. The pen has a finger operated button which can be used to select options from the screen by clicking on it. Magnetic ink character reader. Human readable characters are printed on the document like checks using a special ink that contains magnetic particles of iron oxide. A magnetic ink character reader reads this character by examining these shapes. This technology is called magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. Magnetic ink character recognition or MICR technology is used mainly by banking system for faster processing of large volumes of checks. Banks that are MICR use a special type of checks. The bank's identification code, checks number, and account number are pre-printed using a special magnetic ink that contain particles of iron oxide. Magnetic printing is used. Character can be easily read even when they have been overwritten with other marks. The characters are also special font. The major MICR fonts used around the world are E13B and CMC7. Almost all Indians, US, Canadian, and UK checks are now includes MICR character at the bottom of the paper in the E13B fonts. When a customer deposits a check with the bank, a MICR reader is used to recognize the magnetic ink character automatically and carry out the transaction. A barcode reader is used to scan ready product information from the product labels. It is used in supermarket, shops, libraries, post office, and other places. You maybe have seen barcode pasted on printed on product like grocery items and clothes. A barcode is a unique combination of vertical bars that represent product information such as price and place of manufacture. A cashier uses a barcode reader to scan the barcode on the each purchases item, which gets input into the computer. The computer uses the barcode to identify the product. The information on the barcode usually contains the product ID, price, name of the manufacturer, etc. printed on the labels. A standard barcode consists of a number on parallel light and dark parts of the variable width. The barcode is read optically using a special scanner. The barcode is designed based on a 10-digit number system. Of these, 5 digits are used to encode information related to the manufacturer, and the remaining 5 digits are used to encode the particular product details. The code number are also written under each bar symbol, which can be used in the event of a machine failure. Two types of barcode system are available. These are Uniform Product Code UPC used in the US and European Article Number EAN used in Europe. Optical Character Reader. An optical character reader is capable of detecting alphabetical and numerical characters on a page of type the handwritten text. This technology is called optical character recognition OCR is make data entry simpler and faster. Optical character recognition or OCR technology is basically use the optically scanned pages containing text and then to identify and save the scanned data as a text file instead of an image file. The images is stored in the computer's memory as a bitmap image consisting of a grid of dots. The character recognition software of the scanner then converted the array of the dots is equivalent ASCII text, which our computer can interpret as letter, number or special character. Intelligent system with light recognition accuracy for most font are now available. Some systems are even capable of reproducing formatted output that closely approximates the original scanned page. Optical Mark Reader OMR. An optical mark reader is capable of recognizing a pre-specified type of mark made with a dark pencil or ink. Special pre-printed forms are designed with boxes that can be marked with a dark pencil or ink. Such a document is read by an optical mark reader with into electrical pulses that are transmitted to the computer. This technology is called optical mark recognition (OMR). It is commonly used for grading specially designed multiple choices question, answer sheet, etc. Optical mark recognition, also called optical mark reading or OMR, is the process of detecting data from pre-printed document forms marked by humans. One of the most familiar applications of optical mark recognition is OMR answer sheet in multiple choice question examination. A special kind of sheet form is used for this purpose. The user has to input information by darkening circles marked on this pre-printed sheet using a HB pencils. The sheet is then automatically read by the scanning machine, which shines a beam of light onto the OMR form. The contrasting reflexivity from the marked and unmarked areas is then used to detect the marked areas as they reflect less light than the blank areas of the paper. Punch card reader. Card readers and tape readers were used during the early days of computing to input data that were punched in special types of paper card and ribbons. These machines are obsolete now. Card readers are electromechanical devices that are used to read the information punched into a card. The presence or absence of a hole in the card is converted to an electrical signal representing a binary 0 or 1 each card. Usually consists of 12 rows and 80 columns and are 3 hole 1 by 4 wide and 7 hole 3 by 4 long. The most commonly used code to encode data into the card is the Hallerith code, where a single character is punched in each column of the card. The punching machine contained a hopper where the blank cards are first stacked. The operator then uses a keyboard to enter the data, which is then punched into the card by proper electromechanical mechanisms. To read data from the card is moved over a row of 80 reed brushes. If a hole is present, a contact is made by the brush. This produces a signal that can be used by the computer to interpret 0 or 1. The binary code symbol of the character is punched into the tape and the advance to the next line. A touchscreen is a special display screen where the user can enter data by touching the screen at specific location. It is a display which can be detect the presence and location of a touch within the display area. It was developed in the second half of the 1960s and it widely used in applications like personal digital assistant, PDA, mobile phones, interactive railway or airlines, inquiry system, bank ATMs, etc. Using a touch screen, the user can directly interact with what is displayed on the screen. Rather than indirectly with a mouse, it allows one to use his finger on the hand without requiring any intermediate devices like a stylus that need to be held in the hand. A digital camera takes videos or still photographs or both digitally by recording images on a light sensitive sensor. Digital cameras can include features like displaying an images on the camera screen soon after it is recorded. The capacity to take thousands of images on a single small memory device, the ability to record video with sound and ability to edit images. Web cameras or simply webcams are input device used for videos capturing and are connected to a computer through an USB port. Presently, computer hardware manufacturers are manufacturing laptops with built-in webcams. This eliminates the need to connect a webcam through an external USB port. Webcams can be used as web accessible cameras to do personal video conferencing using instant messaging text chat services such as the AOL Instant Messenger. Today, webcams are also used to provide views into offices and other buildings for security purpose, monitor traffic, and to a variety of other jobs. Apart from this are a variety of input devices available presently. They consist of trackballs, graphic tablets, joystick, microphones, digital cameras. A trackball is similar to a mouse and used as a pointing device in laptop computers. A laptop computers can also have a touchpad devices over which the user can move his finger to move a printed similar to a mouse pointer on the screen. A graphical tablet or simply a tablet is an input device on which the user can draw anything using a special pen and the images is directly transferred to the computer display can be saved. A joystick is another type of input device mainly used in computer games and simulation software to input a move. This work as navigation device and can have special button to input various action required in a computer game. A joystick consists of a vertical sticks that can be moved to control on screen objects. It is used to play computer games, although a keyboard can also be used for this. Joystick provides better control. A graphics tablet or digital tablet allows the user to create digital drawing by hand drawing images on a flat surface. Using a special pen called stylus, it is commonly used at computer-aided design CAD terminals and engineering workstation.